rock me, baby. I hope y'all doing good, because I'm doing wonderful. You guys, welcome to part 2. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and get ready with me and see a little snippet behind the scenes with this photo shoot. I'm hoping it turns out fine. Do what my vision is saying and visualizing. So yeah, stay tuned. So you guys, I took my twist out so you can see the curls. So I think this will be good for a photo shoot. I'm just going to put some edge control on, different stuff like that. I don't know, I'll figure out. I regret this. It's like I wanted to see how the curls were when you do the rope twist. My hair has grown so much, y'all. Oh my god. But anyways, I wanted to see what it looks like, so I don't get to see. But honestly, this will probably be the only time I take this out, because when I get my hair done again in October, I'm probably gonna get this for the next 2 times I get my hair done. So like when I deliver and then the next time I get my hair done, like y'all, I really like the rope twist. And honestly, I'm gonna try to twist it back, but I don't know if it's gonna go right, you know what I'm saying? But we'll see. I'm usually good at finessing, so I like it. It's really like cute. It's so light, like it gives me a little volume, you know? Like it's just it. So y'all got to see, but yeah. Y'all, we are done taking pictures. We just had ice cream. Our photographer back there, Mr. Daryl. Nigga. Anyways, he's in the zone. But yeah, so we are officially done. I will post the pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Locmebaby. That's where the pictures will be posted eventually. I don't know when. I still can't figure out which pictures I want. I'm so glad I had that popsicle after the pictures, because true. Did you have fun, baby?
I did. We had so much fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
You know where I just want to thank you? Hey, want to put your grandma right here.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.